Let's try Australian fairy bread. So apparently kids in Australia eat this for breakfast and it's basically buttered toast and then you add sprinkles on top. I don't really taste the sprinkles as much. It's mainly buttered toast. I don't get the hype. I don't know if there is even hype over this, but for some reason I thought this was gonna taste like a sprinkled donut and I would enjoy it, but it's nothing special. It's basically buttered toast. It kind of reminds me of this other dessert, or not dessert, this other breakfast item that I believe a lot of Dutch people eat, which is called haggis, something like that, but they use chocolate sprinkles as opposed to rainbow sprinkles. And I guess it's called fairy bread because fairies have something to do with sprinkles. I don't know, but I think kids can do better than this in Australia. Come on, kids, you gotta eat something like, I don't know, get some alligator or kangaroo meat, something on your bread. I don't know. Anything but sprinkles. It basically tastes like buttered toast that's kind of sweet. I don't know if you guys know what the backstory is behind fairy bread, let me know in the comments, but I'm giving this maybe a 5.4 out of 10 for creativity. I don't see the point of this.